guys.
Amen.
Yeah, it seems like we've relocated today. We are going to have our session as we always do. Today I'm going to start with a word of prayer. Can we bow our heads? Dear Lord, thank you for this time that you've given us. Thank you that we are fearfully and wonderfully made. Every change that environment demands on us, we can adapt. We thank you that you've given us minds that are always sharp and ready to move and change. As we're going to have our session today, be with us in Jesus' name, amen. Yeah. As is Yabona Vele, which is relocated, we're going to make the best of what we have. Sikhuluma ngendaba yethu ya all the time. How was your week? I already had a session. Someone was talking with me earlier on about their week, and I was already debriefing. We feel like we don't have to do today's session. Now I don't want to be selfish. I want to give you guys also an opportunity to see if you let me be and then zikhipani. Ngizocala ngawe coach lapho khona.
Morning everyone. My week was good. Nothing much happened. Just last week, I think Sunday, it's the performance in I'm pretty sure that so it was so much fun because Taranga is in people, and then the preparation for Sipoli this week have been good, and then I believe this week it's gonna be a positive week, so I'm good. And then today, man, I think the fruit of the spirit power, because let's get on up always like where we are praising you, and then our hearts they are chabula. So yeah, the house it's blessed every day when you come here.
I'm glad. I remember when we were building it, the one thing that we said, uMasiqali Foundation, sifuna ukuthi abantu mabeza la bafile ngathi basezulwini, like if baphansi umoya wabo uphakame, if balimele somehow bathole ilimi. So it's actually a feedback esithola ukuthi we've accomplished what we've wanted to do. Yeah, no. Ocean of Emotion. Yeah. How was your week, buddy?
Good morning, my good people. My week was okay. Kobolo this last week, it was okay. This week was okay. Nothing hectic. Tailoring I shot the people hard. A lot is happening, but as time goes, hopefully God will help us.
Amen. I will not start when then you leave us hanging. Our Kiala Damas. It's personal.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm morning, everybody. I hope you're all fine. May God bless us. As I prayed before coming here, so like my week was like, I had a fruitful, nice week. But the other weeks, even though it's kind of hectic in terms of academics, but then like my weeks, nothing much bad happened. It was nice. Just enjoy the whole weekend. I hope God keep on blessing all my upcoming days, weeks, and years.
Sure, Poland. Zulu boy.
Vietnam Nelgash, and last week is Jameson and so credit Vietnam Hopzan.
Yeah.
I Vietnam Venezuela my Hopzan. Vietnam challenges more and more, but then I managed to put here and some is Hopzan. And the Wish.
Mina ngicela before uqhubeka usitshele ukuthi ihabutsana wenzeni, because for the past 2 weeks you've been complaining about procrastination. Ngesinye isikhathi uqala ngo-8, ngesinye isikhathi uqala ngo-11. What changed this week?
This week I made sure isira ngivuka ngo-8 or 9 and make sure ngo-9 vele ngiyatsuheletsa ngenza ama-shows wami then 9-10 ngenza ama-shows then 11 ngiyageza then ithi 12 vele asibheke emuva vele zishona encwadini ngizametse vele gabutsana then yathi Tuesday ngishayile-ke Tuesday ngoba ngicalile Tuesday ngesikhathi during the day khona ngibhizi kusuchilanyana ngathatheka namba ngithatheke kahle polisi umnakano uyabona ngoba bengikarele nyama then vele ilanga lelo lona inhliziyo zangithi namhlanje vele ngithi but then I made sure ukuthi ebusuku around 6 vele ngiphushekile then the following day vele ngibamba isikhathi sami vele sangemikha vele.
So how many times did you do 12 o'clock? So it was Monday, Wednesday, Thursday.
I can say what Zuchimbera struggled. Ezinye indaba sithole indaba ezimbi we lost one of ours. Our legend, uPriscilla Chwenyaga, Zala Namanja, one person like this. But then, Sazo Tibana, not Sizofit, and I'm all a Sazo ends isn't
Remember last time you had said Uti when I would tell you the way relationship yakho ingako nosisi wakho. And I've been thinking a lot about that, Uti. Unjani, because we cannot expect things to change when we don't put the necessary changes that we want. So how have you been with your sister?
Guys, like me myself. Realize what compare now. But then in 2014 for I was in but it's our phone so by in king and the woman missing Kuruma and Tanakuma and Comment I won, pin of his two. My pin of his train and Safun Kudumo. I didn't shine a cool door. I like to shine as well now. Lomtona has him shine you don't have to lie on a Sakurum 9 low again shine by the Ipandle Sekai. Then Mangas we see then we are put out with in figure like even though Lenton of Fun we ends. As we see daily. But then my challenge one Manga phone sharp and Puma will up. I'm Funukulela is insurable.
Okay. Before Usiago Mungene, let's take for example, we are running homework.
I love what I saw.
I'm sorry. You need to any bang most of the time.
I would feel like for instance, my way school, Solangana Zija, then it's daily, most of the water, make sure they like we wash very clean. I come to Ozoksalam Brow. Avela Abenengana Jota, Agafun, Kerafunjan, Children, the zone. Then he into a swing and Mangula and I are.
So finally when you told him here, your booty incentify like a reward and punishment kind of system. Ne? So we check it with you into ne? And then in 7 towards that goal. So for example, if let's say, do you spend any time with her? Like do you maybe watch a movie together? What is it that she likes? Because sometimes it's very important to go to her world. Ngoba wena uzokudonda ufuneze estandarding sakho sokuthi uyaklina. Mara, how about nina niqala ukuwasha izitsha noyi2? Maybe nishaye ngezi izitsha because you can take izinto angazithandi ezimborako and you make them fun while you are getting to bond and while you are having fun. So thola indlela yokwenza izinto naye ungathi yena zenzeni noyi2 Because in that way, it will help you to bond, you talk about how school was, kwenzakalani, and in that way, you are moving away from the chore, now you are bonding. Yabona? So you need to start finding ways zokuhlanganelana naye, fellowship yokuthi ukuphi, because 20 is quite big. But when ngoba une emotional maturity, ungazehlisa ku level yakhe so that nikhona ukukhula. Yeah. And then sifuna usitshele next time ukuthi did it work and etc.
Mara nawe ne ikuzwisa ubuhlungu.
That's it. Yeah.
Because even namanje mawukhuluma ngayo, like it's really hurting me. Because fanele ingabi into othi uyakwathi uyastota uyikhaphelele. You really need to work on it because ilento besikhuluma ngayo earlier on ukuthi abantu asifuna izinto ziphuke so that izikhona ukulungiswa. Sometimes we must be brave enough to allow things to get broken so that they can be rebuilt again. But yeah, we'll talk about it a little bit later. Ngifuna ukupha everyone a chance ukuthi asho ukuthi how was their weekend.
Sure. Ciao. Ish, na wiki ala ika mulgamu. Ish. Tamona ro Brian na aka kamujuke ish. Oglele ke maina mara. Abo ish kam mama ka bamutshwere bana go 3 days. Ish. Tinch. Mara ni ke camera problem.
Okay. All right.
Phone guy. Phone.
Memang lebih akan nilai syapu. Orang lidi gulu cina kita setting zon, kita kono terich, which was sore negino go revise focus with yaka, gahi gino go wala sekolah next year. So kita kono catch up aja nak era revision. And then modilo di saat zaman syapu ino bile mawani. There is no one after cara malfa. Because then first team Super League agare nernali cases not lay against number 1. So when it's a chara no, but then our was the outcome like he see or with a hala. So you're not doing what is something.
Okay.
At that.
Excellent. I don't know if we can learn any sharp. Like I've been thinking to do a business maybe every transaction so that I can put maybe something what I've learned. Why? So we can get a power, and then we can get a motor like when you business so that then I'm power. So like what I did on this weekend, get a motor on the buy a business, I can feel a mindset and then I might say that I want to okay, is a good opportunity. Yeah, so like I think we're gonna start maybe Saturday or tomorrow business because of like I can see what like maybe in maybe 2 years or 3 years that's why you can tell like and then anyway like get habits because like almost 4 weeks it's a group it's a
Wow.
like I've always wanted to go to church and then or like this guy 3 weeks ago get that or maybe weekend can put okay catch up go group to go Sunday morning get cranky oh so like or can off again is because of Sunday it's not like because of like next but then always Sunday Palo Gregi. I was so that is Filipino Gargan this step. Here is something Kiskan can take one of the Sunday. Sunday happens to have cup or like we are next week. Yeah, next week. So like come on like one Sunday I was last week like you like for morning Gargan Kapal.
I'm gonna plan again on if you have a power, that's so a lot for the Bible and with it to a paper bag. So that's a Bible with knowing God, right? Knowing God. So that Bible can take a rule so like
Devotional, yeah.
let's say a rule so I can pitch children ever like we have to share everything, like you have to give so that you can get more blessings. Then I can at least speak in something and I can get, but at least people know achieve something about Bible because like Salivan like Bible, I is getting like maybe when our class time maybe the chapter in. So like that then our kids give them and then our matter or maybe give one so kids give up. So they have problem on your but then like that Sunday, the when you like for the like our happy and
I'm really happy for you because wait till 4 weeks ago, no small program. You were outside our reach, outside influence. Mara already you are making the right decision independently. So I want to worry and again to neki na hana kana hore me ona le bafana ba le ba tsamaileng e ska ba bolela mabitso ne ke ba hopotse ka ba rapela because I didn't lose any of my sons or le ka tlhogana. I don't want to wish ill or anything because banna tshwantse ba kre matla ene ba emelle ene le ba ka ntlogela ba tsamaya. Some of you boys say maybe due to differences. I still want you to prosper because once monna aba sound a khona to kemela dilo tse dintsi di change. So already when 4 weeks you stayed away from a place e irang gore ska thaba ka wena only one wa botswa ke motho. Can you imagine what other decisions you're going to make tse di leng sound because already o khethile tsela only one. So I want to go associate le bo mang never senteng like when they are long gone their influence still echoes on and on and on. So when I'm happy for you when I don't only Mr. Goofist when so it's a very big achievement and mataba ya maybe like go get again na tja ithaupa ke tlo lata sonta it la better ke tlo lata
so like what 50 no was like I want to because it's coming up like little today or 50 I know what to little today said then I'll go to or I get la mo pulma I think is got here cause mom feel the advice to learn but there was hang up on fast on a salary babo advice to learn as man la manga go find you advice to learn by you to have a fire to successful on my part so memo utli mo no pulma ka fa dai advice ka kono tana trading hang up as come said then come to a person for drugs and 100% so that didn't way because of like not really influenced by the too much. Like I got the two with Hatek, I mean, I got the tea, but I mean, I got the two, and I really met on the floor. Also, I think I've covered me. They got you for a little bit of love.
We can go really sharp, because like, make a coach under 50. So yeah, really, really one name to put out to just see all the matter with a top question before game. So I found really penalty. Because like the first time my interview only to hear them. Mara, you got the level like wishing the coach have a give sharp. So yeah, we got a little more. We should have a movie in a TV we get better sharp.
so sure.
Yes.
Coach.
Sambola. If you love, it is telling us we get this very what you can offer to me I think from Mamela and Maramina, but you're putting in Spain, you want to
ukhuluma ma
Yeah. Angisho manje mina ngiphi off, angazi abafuni mina off. Baya. Mara bayayithola, yabo. So mina mangicela off ngaphana bayalo, because ukuthi ngize nge-excuse ukuthi angiyasambuye. Ngifuna ukuhlala nawo. Yabo. Zangafuta so. Ngasebenza isisukentele yonke. Yo, mina ngazokuthi yo, bangise. Ikisi yona. Ngafuta serious. So ngipole Sunday ngakho from Friday. So you can tell my mama. And then coming back evikini mina ngitshela ama-player ukuthi bazijimile mem uyabona bezijimile siyodlala ama-playoffs vele ngibone siphethe iproof ngakhona uyabona so njengoba ushani dasho ngakhona ayi-corruption iningi Mamelodi ezinye lezi dasithulile sizozikhuluma straight i-corruption Mamelodi iningi serious. How can you fixture people ukuthi kunekesi ephezulu? Skiphe imali for ukuthi senze i-complete for i-case league. Mara no baze ne-conclusion without even ukusitshela thina ukuthi kune-case yenu izani e-DC ilanga lakhona yini. So isolve imetha yini igame imele idlale igame. Thina simangalizo lokuphuma i-fixture aba-fixture efoni idlalisa kunye nayazi next. So Mamelodi umuntu uyishabile mina ngisha ngathi yazini singathola enye iligi eyikasi ukuthi singaba kiyo mem than ukuthi sibe ebantwini lokuthi to be honest idlalisa mina Mamelodi ayizange ngokuthi yona ifuna ukuzenza abantu abadesa or something. Sure. Idlalisa moyeni ukuthi ize Mamelodi bazele ukuthi bafuna ukugrow ikasi because ikasi idala. If waya go Joburg go Val PSL we have players from Val Joburg kuphi it's because abantu balapho bayapusha kuze Mamelodi umuntu cabanga uminyela ikhehla ikhehla uyabona ukuthi umuntu lo yena noma azama la akusana la yakho maruminye umntwana onasini iyo.
But you know what, that's the thing ukuthi uma thina sonke sizophuma kule kasi le ubani yolungisa.
Lela mema alisadeserve uNkulunkulu. Wonke umuntu olaphana ukuthi sathana umufika beka abantu. Yiwo labana basemama. Ebile be-Malfa Association amakhahla lawana aphethe Malfa lawana. Ba-corrupt mense brown envelope dijima serious.
But you know what, in every situation, it's just that we don't know the right doors. But every problem has a solution. And sabanumaya wokungala, sabanumaya wokuba discouraged, will never get anything. Finally, you see the goal to make Mamelodi better must be stronger than corruption. If corruption is going to be stronger, this is why people are despondent. This is why even the government is discouraged. One of the reasons why it's a non-profit organization that wants to help bring moral regeneration. Because of kunabantu abangazimiselanga ukuthi, because if sonke siyongala sikwate sithina sifuna kwenye country, just like nalabantu laba abathe bona abasi happy ngegovernment ye South Africa bafuna ukuya ku other country cause like simnandi siyongala until kuze kube nini. There's no home better. Even ama couples niyalwa man divorce until abantwana kwenzakaleni ngapha. There's no place that is ideal and perfect. Maybe kusezulwini or emathuneni la kunganamsebenzi, mara as long as usesemhlabeni you have
your goal to do good must be stronger. And this is why I say again, the reason why bakhona ukuphila more years is because the labor ward teaches us to push when it's hard. Because that's not where you're supposed to give up. When the labor pains intensify, even harder, cooperate so that you don't die and the baby doesn't die. So it's built within us to push in critical times. What's going to happen? Then evil is going to prevail and win. But we need to fight harder with good. You don't win people who are evil by being evil like them. Two wrongs don't make a right. You quench fire with water. You always have to do the opposite. And it's an establishment there, like Mamelodi. It has to continue here. If when you give up as a dead. Because it's always like that. It's always generational.
Remember what I mean? Industry alam ko na ba and I'm not disappointed mina abe khona ngijike Samuel ibhlungu for umuntu ongazangayo now ngwamele break the news to these young boys bayibone ifisha izolo bazile ejimini bayibone ifisha mara basisho so namhlanje it's Friday wamele break the news today iyangibeyina nami knowing ukuthi thina we have played fair, we have won everything fair, and then now we was left with the need to do justice for the boys. Now because some of the association members, they hate me, they feel Uti, these boys must suffer from
But you know what? I believe Uti, everything happens for a reason. A situation happened today. We had to adapt and change and relocate here. Or we could have said, abadeng, and then we change. And if you don't have that mentality, you'll never get anything. It's not the end. It's not the end. The end is when you quit. And most of the time, Tinabantu, si quit because we give people too much power. There's always a way. If we can put our heads together, there's always a way. It's just that the problem with we don't know the right people with the right influence. You are frustrated because you don't know the right people. Once you know the right people, and this is why I'm having it, you are never an island. Ukula nabanya bantu. If lenda or liberty is valelime, like whatever level liberty, it's done. There's always someone who's above what we think we know. Asien labo. Until you win. Because that's how you're gonna run your family. Because every time when things get hard, you're going to quit and say, I'm telling you. And this is why Generation Z, there's so much divorce. Because we don't have the stomach to persevere and be persistent. Isn't the yes, when you've been disappointed many other times. But what can you teach these boys? Labantu laba nanoma bangaba corrupt kangakanani abana power engaleyo ndlela leyo. Power is with the people. Nina, as a team, how are you going to take that news, Wuti? You cannot continue. How are you going to change the story and change the narrative? Because if every time abantu ababi basenza kabi siyakwata siyangala siyahlala ayeke sithole next. So mina ngiyakutshela ngithi when the pain is harder, you don't quit, you push. You breathe, ukhokha umoya, uyapusha because why? Lento ofanele uyibelethe more valuable than le pain oyizwayo. More important. Mongezi, unjani papa? How was your week, mfana? Mjojo. Sharp, ne? Geen klaar.
Angithanda ukubonga session le. Kuntshentshe kakhulu impilo le ngiyiphilayo nami ngijabulise noma ngifuna ngitshela uzodinga ukuthi no yabonakala ukuthi ukhulile kuyitshentshe so ngithanda ukubonga.
And yazi enye into futhi ngibuye ku-coach ne? Yazi coach maybe besifuna ukuya ku what PSL
manje
besifuna ukuya kubani
Hollywood
ne? Wena sengijumpa ama-stage. Kune plani ebesiyibhekile ukuthi siya kuyo ne? Mara next to you, next door, that guy onawe manje next to you, i-impact oyenzile because of inhlanganiswe yibhola leyo ayibambanga yimalfa. Mara uyabona ukuthi wenzani kulo mfana lo ophambi kwakho lo, what you've done in his life. The thing is ne, thina ngesinye isikhathi ne sinokubona ukuthi ngathi this is what we have. It would have been nice to have gone to the next level, but the next level is not for us now. And I'm saying to you ukuthi ne, don't just look at it through we were supposed to go to the next level. There are other things that we have received. Yeah.
I remember ngifuna ukuya to the next level with two things. Yabona. So imalfa banginishe opportunity ukuthi ngishaye inyoni ezithu ngelitshela
yabona manje
ukwenza history serious.
bofuna ukwenza history ne, mara for now ne, where you are, celebrate what you have. And let us stop talking evil or ill ngalabo bantu labo. uNkulunkulu uzababheka bona. Thina let's stick in our lane. Asenze yazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ne, when you can say ngizodila nabantu, ngeke ukhona ukudila nomuntu. Umdali womuntu makadile nomuntu. Wena laba bakhonile ukuqhubeka nabo. I don't know what would be the next step for the other ones who are not going forward, but we cannot stop because we're saying people were corrupt. When it is the hardest, you push even harder. Proverbs yasho iti, when you are weak, iti when you crumble on the day of a crisis, there's no strength in you. Fanele lelanga kushuwe kakhulu la ubona khona ukuthi akuna plan uchinche. This is how we evolve and we grow. Who knows ukuthi this is an opportunity of birthing something else. Ngoba bobe ukuthi yeno kuzoza laba bazayenza. Namhlanje sifundile ukuthi kunabantu abakwazi ukwenza ukamera, abanye bakwazi ukwenza. We are making the best of what we have. Would we have known if we were not disappointed? We wouldn't. So it's not every disappointment that is a denial. Some disappointments are a stepping stone to another door. Akusiyonke into ebathi no isho ukuthi stop. No ithini change amagere. Go back to the drawing board ubone ukuthi can't you do it in another way. Yangithola wena uthole more than what Malfa could give you. This boy hleli phambi kwakho athi ucoachara uthi so. Ucoachara like you have changed lives. Maybe not everybody is clapping for you at the level that you want, but we see the change. And I mean, I feel like the change in Jalo needs bigger celebration than a body of people who are saying yes or no. Yes, coach.
Some of the struggles are there to strengthen us.
Asize batho ba bantšhine ba re lona la rekiso re nyako bereka re gole wa bona that idea o nang leng yone ke khupela go bolele nnete gore o ikreile ko kae idea ya go rekisa ko di-sports events o ikreile ko kae gona this was the intention gore really rooted these skills to generate your own money. That's why motho ne a wa tshwana mo fa fish mo teach how to fish because are ba fa di fish they are going to be dependent forever mara ha re ta batho ba iphandele ba tlo makatsa ba bontshe ditsela tse ding tse even better wa tsora e be le nang re lokisa kasi ya rena Mamelodi ara tshwana le re ka nna go di sentene tshwanetse re wele wa le morao re lokise because if rena re ka se tukisetse Mamelodi batho ba ba even ba tlo tswela pele ene ba tlo senya even worse le sedi le fifility make le sedi le ka ba kere senyane light illuminates and light is more powerful than darkness. I don't care the intensity of the darkness. Even if you have a flickering light, lele phuphuthang ke moya as soon as you tshuma le go ka ba le moya o tlo bona re le sedi le rang la illuminate. So even if re ka ba banyane re tlo irang ra illuminate bona re tse di businessmen
That's why it's a thing of Friday. I don't know the men to go to Garga drunk. That's why I get the one of Fatso. Negono Garga in the Saga. Never told me about Tommy. It told me the Monday, Maraga, Tuesday, so the guitar. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Negan Salam Jarati, Manu Akaran Kuraya, Friday, Negan Zamaya, Mutu, Mara, Nobody Korean in Noya, which makes it precise. Mara, Nuyana, Tenegrizami, the
Benelin.
And then on Friday, that's where the Sakumara make it Saturday, a corner, 2 kilo, Kumakon, which is our workies. Making a shapon, this week or not, the shapon of
What's your AK-47?
No, a little more check of Mara flopo una phone call una Mararena in
for brotherhood.
No cara que mo phone ela só fluência no mo phone
This Harlem, no, men down, Gasafa, and so I weekend last week. And so there was a lot of business. And then I didn't know something, but I never did it. I mean, it's really fever. You move to young, go to young. But I go visa. So it's the kind of
Sunday-ish kinale ka stage aga gereke la ntshwa go impress. Ka se khone fitlha da. Ya maga mebiti. Ku SNS. Ya Ulu.
Okay.
Na my wiki okay, but then immediately the ups and downs now. Nigga care to notice everything like you. And she was roughing young. I nigga talk on a way out of it. I didn't know like good thing getting kite talk. I'm not because now the thing is here I hate them. Kapala got the tar and then Namo and Guy and Pitalish. Kabula Luzin in Saxon or what. So it's no I think regret. And it will say probably Mara. It's just step by step. So the believer of Kabasha.
Couple of we like it.
It's not a problem you know. Argument that all the time.
Okay.
And like I have planned so can't get right you should have Mara he knows what to yeah, it's all me time, Marasago but then I'll Kabasha.
Okay. So you had like let's man to ask right to go in.
Yeah, because like you feel like I want to avoid them.
Okay.
There's some things that you so about plans and then he agreed to no. Without tools, after me, that's some Sarafo, text or some gray for the whole week. And then until I stress, I was getting like issue. We can feel like a pay, so like Yawa,
But you remember what Mr. Kosana said to you last Urle?
Usually, you feel like sometimes get the force about my dad or things like that. Even on Nagi game sometimes. It's got to depend on me. Time or something to say this.
Marwapola that time I will like a holy Mfana Ola Nata Medellin. I'm promising you and then ask her to deliver.
The disappointment in my it's been years. I want you know one thing that I'm going here, Misha Konom here, I don't know how to do the show. You go into one kota, Zara, Jumom here, Lata, we, Mamma. She moving Philip along my teach. Or I am Philip, no one understands the people that way, but then I'll be okay.
So Peluya, how high I try to
yeah, lonely about the delay.
Okay.
Not letting out, like I'm not Mara, not letting you look at whatever good or relatively untouched. And I go express it amount of what you sharp or not. You cannot pretend.
Let's say, let's make an example. It's in a manufacturing gallery. And then I give it has like a dye a blue. Then it's a marry. Then Papa to go find if it dye a purple. And then go ahead to Mama use a marble if it dye a blue. So when I did blue, purple, blue. Mara is not for here, dye a blue more than any other thing. Because obviously, if you have you have two parents. Even if you have other people, it won't be the same. So if let's say he experiences the same kind of pain, dye a blue,
ke bona dilo mo lefatsheng di diragala. Because what I experience is how I see the world. What color do you think I'm gonna see the world if I keep experiencing blue color? I get it blue, get a certain kind of pain. Ke tlo thoma bona lefatshe bjang.
Like there's a lot going on.
O tlo e bona ka that color of paint that you keep seeing. So whether if, let's say, like whenever or modimo a utlwisisa gore o file pelo e bjang, now I don't think gore it's per se gore ke pelo e nyane. Ke botlhoko bo o utlwileng over the years ba shape pelo ya gago ka mokgwa. It's what you kept experiencing. Now so sela so se experience-ang ne setse o itha gore ke character ya gago. O ra nna ke fela pelo, nna ke na le pelo e nyane. Ha ona pelo e nyane le pelo e kgolo. It's how people have been experiencing things. They are feeling that they change gore ke wena motho gore. O tshwana le batho ba ba urang style. But you can't keep doing the same thing and then you expect me to behave differently. So when I'm twelve, you do some time o tshwanetse go check gore ke eng dilo tseo even in the past that you are not dealing with tse di piling up. What is it, the hoarders? What's the hoarders seeking? What is it about ba already ntlo tsa bona go tletse di chila ha khona o phela wa topa o lokela ka motho wa topa o lokela ka motho to a point where motho le plek ya ha ya o robala ke space se senyana a sa khona o phela gore motho o tsia dilo wa di pakella a tsie dilo a di pakella motho a be dilo ka mananeo wa itse emotionally re ira bjalo le rona re pakellana dilo to a point where a o sa khona lo hema ke yona ntho e rang gore yanong le ntho e nyane o kry let's say maybe genuinely nana le mabaka mara because of Salom Melem Batalala 5 years ago in your eyes he has failed. So which means good finally lessons and re thome go declutter re ntse di tshila tsela ka mo rumong ela hanyane ene o kry batho ba ba godang o kry di tshila di tletsa until roof la di tse di show tsa teng tseo like le batla le sabuleha a ke tsore motho la o grinning go bona room the floor of that room because of dilo di rileng di pakellana dilo ha re sa dile ka tsona ka mohara like if we don't deal with issues they build up more and more and more until you do not even recognize yourself anymore. Young John, you wanted to say something?
I'm like, it's only like my brother. Not a time of our uncle, like almost like the YouTube part, no friends to do. Like the number was like, Salakuli never think about Zanga, Azanga, or like, obviously to that extent, or Palpun you think and that it's there that the moment because of like Luza. So like it puts on like not a what they want but then happy. Because only like Tamote, but then because of like 1 kilo. You know, that's what I take or traffic powers and you know, that's what I keep or something or once I can time. So then on there, you know, put that's because of Mama's and my needs. I don't want to have my mom come at them like I did. You are going to respect her Mama's because I want to see my mom at her bill always. So obviously, Mama's are taking all the time at her because of what one like one of the film time home. That lag was I want to run that any because they are not out there. Then Mama's are never change something so like oh no better buy like no kawana like cause of like time out because of the time post advantage ya khona la ska wela the things tse lo ngwana wa dina yeah so like
I want us to work on it and then I want us next week to give feedback on it. Labona all of us, we always say we started as a sperm cell. But at some point we were a seed. And from Lisa, like Baba Ambassador grade 10, every male has about 495 billion sperms. I can rate it. And in peg ejaculation, which was 100 million. And out of that 100 million, only one catches the egg. And that one that comes together and fertilizes the egg. And I mean, when fertilization happens, it will heal from ratio ya 495 billion, there are 100 million, there are one. So it just shows us already. Maybe Batuabanchi, Bafila mistake Mara. By God's selection, Mudimuna le purpose kawe. I get all na ejaculate. I give mulogeni limo equation. Because of Mudimu or giving seed, and not swara, giving seed, I found matter, Laura as swimming. There's nothing oops about us. Everything garna inali intention ya Mudimu. Mararuna, what do? We give power to people by thinking for mama. Yes, what is the molefatin? Can you try to we do not. I was a vehicle that brought my children here, but my children belong to God. I want the kitchen utensils, spoony as the desk, spoony siba desk has the money on lag. Utensils, there's nothing wow about them. They are only important when they are in a human hand. Then we come alive. You know, someone said a while back, Aji, TV is not useful until we put the socket into the electrical cord. I mean, into the but TV, more power source. Marabaturale source but they are big for nothing. But because they're not connected to the source, a fish will never survive outside water because the source is where it comes from. All of us, if we can go back to our source, we're going to live better lives. Who's your source? And that's why we always talk about destiny. Once we are purpose-driven people, cell phone, and the miracle is to bring communication. Once I start functioning according to my purpose, I get jealous and say I can't compete with the folk because we are not designed for the same thing. But how many of us know why we were born? How many of us know why we are even alive? It should be the one quest. Why was I born? Why am I part of the living? Because once we start doing that, I will be discouraged. Your reason why you are alive, why you were born, becomes stronger. We had the week from hell. Even last week, negidi safe, I go drain emotionally. Like, and I'm glad that he's not even here, so that maybe I can, Kiskamu biases. Financially, we're not okay. This week, I was actually counting how much we are being owed. It was 1.47 million. Mara, really? And actually, no, it was 1.47 something million, but it's almost 1.5 million. And if we had that money, isn't the best thing as it? Last week Wednesday,
a sheriff came, they repossessed one of our cars. And the thing is, when that car is Silverton, but that day, yes, because they needed to wash Leia Moteng Hambangai. And I'm glad that thing happened here. It was so painful. He was in a meeting, I was here, and I had to deal with it. I was sitting outside. Like a lot of things were coming into my head. Like they were coming into my head. And I want to and the fact of Idlalisa is solely funded by us. And I said to God, you see, God, if we don't come out of this situation, actually is Kosana no family. So you have to come through for us. Umak said banamali possessions of things. And when I go buy groceries, calculate. Angiyazi leyo mpilo leyo. Mara manje senguyo. Am I going to be discouraged? And you see, my purpose, our purpose as a family, is stronger than where we are. We want to see boy children being moral regeneration, but and it's not just about money, it's many other things. Mara wana taba ya challenge and eka kosain a woman hurry. Let us put the mask on ourselves first before hurry cut off other expenses. I was doing a workshop one time lapa. Uncheka ukuthi idlalisa running costs and everything. It's about 200k. Ucabange ezumuntu ukuthi if idlalisa bengekho 200k leyo mali leyo kube yenzayo. But you see, when you are a purpose-driven person, your priorities change. When I equate, when I see what this does, it far outweighs where I'm at. Can you imagine 5 years from now? I cannot never know like there's a lot of pressure. Can you imagine if we find better ways? And I was even saying to my children, we need to stop wasting petrol. Running cost was we can't go back and forth. Hurry no lata di loko tsa kane re di late re make sure hore re save petrol cost petrol le ela it's salary e tlotswang ke stipend se se shotang for someone. So it means rona as a family we need to watch how we spend money. Wa bona hore re khabatehile ne mara there's an opportunity to learn. Instead of us getting discouraged, like we're in serious financial problems. And I was saying to him, every time when he gets sick, stress level is pestle. Everything. Everything is still running. If there's one thing that we know, it must get a lifeline. All these 1,000 boys is responsible for Bona. To change my destinies. I could have been somewhere else. Happen maybe but that life has been altered. So in terms of choice, to keep rehabilitating, to keep changing my community, so that these boys who have potential of arm robbing me, but embrace. There's a choice. Nam phone is he checks up on me. He's not been in the program.
one rata, there's a relationship ya mme le ngwana. Someone who had potential to be a thug. And o tsamaile ka tsona dithunya le dithipa tseo. Mara pelo e change it. Don't you think gore Modimo will make sure gore ntho e tshwanang le e tswella pele? Mara Modimo ha e kgapeletse. Modimo ha e forcele mo batho. If nna ke a hana, o tla tsosa bo Shandi. Mara nna I'm going to lose out on an opportunity. So, in conclusion, as we bow out for today, never ever give up when it's the hardest. That's where you must push the hardest. You never. As you feel I can't take it anymore, stay another day to see the change. Don't walk away because because you always quit and walk away. Be a man and face them. Siyabonga. We enjoyed ourselves. Next week, we're going to see a report different. In report your team, I had an opportunity to quit. I didn't quit. Things were hard. I pushed. Because at the end of the day, we are born survivors. Adios. Amigos. Sure.